sound, turn the lights out. Tell me when you want it. Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slowly, yeah. We don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly, yeah. 매일 on and on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have a human hair crochet install for you guys. Yeah, this is a full head of crochet, human hair crochet, and I'm gonna talk about how the process was, my thoughts on it compared to other styles, and my overall thoughts. Today's video is brought to you by HotBraids. This is my first time working with them. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts about this crochet hair and the overall experience with the install, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. By the intro, you saw that this is going to be a human hair crochet video for you guys. I don't do crochet a lot because it can be very tedious. I did one last year and it wasn't too bad, but taking it out was a little bit stressful. So I'm a little on the fence, but I've seen some, great inspiration videos, so I can, try this out. Today's video is brought to you by HotBraids. I already said that in the intro, and I'm gonna read some specs for you guys while you watch the unboxing of everything that came in the package, because they did send a lot of stuff to make this process easy. So this is their 3C to 4A Exotic Kinky Coily upgraded crochet hair, and so it only comes with one bundle of hair, one bundle of 18 inches. It is 220 grams, and the one bundle is for the full head. So this is all you need for the install. It's exclusively made for kinks, curls, and coils, type 3 to type 4 naturals, transitioning hair, and relaxed hair. And it says it has a seamless blend. So this is what we have here, and we're going to install it. It's early in the morning, so I have several hours to put this in. Hopefully it doesn't take several hours. We have it on this loop here. This is what it looks like here. It has like a thinner piece of thread in the middle, and then you have the curls here. And this is 18 inches, but I'm 6 feet tall. Everything looks short on me. And I'm just going to start putting this in. I only have one installed up front because I needed to see like how to do it, but I'm just gonna do a couple in the back, and then I'm just gonna do the rest of my head off camera. So I have my piece here, and then I'm gonna take my crochet hook. I have it open, and then I'm gonna close it, bring it through. I'm going to take that loop I have here, and I'm going to put the whole thing through. Up front, I just did it one leg through just to make it more seamless, but back here you won't really see it, so I have that back there. You can break this because I pulled it too hard, especially with that thin thread, but this side stayed in there. But I'm going to do the rest of my head, but I got a couple pieces in. I think it's going to turn out cute.
Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me feeling like, you got me singing like, I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but, I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there. You make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like, just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐, come on outside. Tell me when you want it. Baby, you don't need to know my whereabouts. I don't get too lonely, yeah. We
So the middle part was not working that well because my hair is short, and so it wasn't blending very well. So I did a flip over. I just flipped the hair over and redid my leave out curls in the front. So I should have just did it like a flip over braiding pattern instead of doing the leave out in the center. But if you have longer hair, you can do that. But my hair is not that long, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pivot and do a flip over. And this is how I wear my half wigs as well. Now, who is this for? This is for somebody who already enjoys crochet hair. Maybe you wear synthetic crochet hair, or you already wear human hair crochet hair. This is not as convenient as half wigs. I prefer half wigs because it takes less time for a very similar look. But some people prefer crochet hair. You know, you don't have combs and stuff like that, so I guess that is a con for half wigs. So, but it's cons with crochet hair too. So this is very tedious installing it and everything like that. I just think it's easier to have a half wig, but this is another hairstyle option for somebody.
Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me feeling like, you got me singing like, I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but, I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to, you make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like, just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐, come on outside. Tell me when you want it. Baby, you don't need to know my whereabouts. I don't get too lonely, yeah. We don't need to keep it for it. Look at me, just baby, I do 매일 on and on, 계속 on and on. Baby, come and
All right, guys, we are back. Okay, so first of all, I want to say that this video is from somebody who is a beginner with crochet. The first time I got crochet was 4 years ago, going on 5 years ago, and I got somebody else to install it. I tried to do Passion Twist probably in 2019, and I just couldn't get it. And then in 2021, I got some synthetic crochet hair installed because I was inspired by Leah Levon. And then I have been meaning to try crochet again, but it just was too time consuming for me. So I got the chance to work with HotBraids with this hair here, and I do have a lot of thoughts, pros and cons with it. First of all, a big pro is how this turned out. It looks very natural and very pretty. Like, I feel like this suits me very well, but I knew that it would because half wigs, I've been wearing half wigs all of 2025 basically, and that's my favorite hairstyle, specifically with the kinky curly textures, because it's similar to my natural hair. It's not like spot on, but it's very similar to my natural hair texture, and it just looks good every day. So I knew it would look good once I added product and everything. The hair quality itself, this is what I will say. My overall takeaway is, if you're somebody who is well versed with crochet hair, you're gonna love this, because I feel like the knots are very thin because it has the thin string instead of like bulky knots from the loose crochet hair, and it looks very seamless. So if you already love crochet hair, you're gonna love this. And then because it's human hair, you have the versatility to make the curls pop and everything like that. And because it's crochet versus a half wig, which I adore half wigs, especially human hair half wigs, you can do different parting spaces with the crochet hair, so you can have versatility of, you know, parting and everything. So with mine, I decided to leave out all around the perimeter, and I might do an updo for you guys. But I also had the middle part out, but my hair was not blending very well in the middle, so I pivoted to a flip over, and I think the flip over just suits me better. You have a lot of versatility with styling when you do crochet versus a half wig, but convenience wise, a half wig is easier because if my hair is already curled and, you know, ready to blend with the wig, I could just plop it on in a few minutes and get it together. But this took several hours to install, especially because I don't do this very often. I actually had to watch a video on how to install crochet hair before filming this video because I'm just not well versed in it. But I do have more confidence to do it again. Yeah, I've had some crochet hair in my stash for years, and now I feel like I'm confident enough to install it myself. And I like the idea of doing it with some leave out. But because I'm wearing it as a flip over, I was like, I probably should have tried not using any leave out at all as a middle part and just use this brush that they sent. This is like a teasing brush, but overall I think the hair is very good quality. But the takeaway is, if you are a crochet girl, you're gonna love this hair. If you are a beginner, you want something very quick, I would go with a half wig for the same look because it's gonna be easier. But I will say you can get more versatility probably with crochet because you can have multiple parts and stuff like that. But I'm not really utilizing that because I'm doing a flip over. I'm wearing it the same way I would wear a half wig. But I do think this is very pretty. I am going to put this up in a ponytail because I have all of my perimeter out. And I'm going to have to do an updo because I'm going to be keeping this in probably for a week. And if you're curious about how easy it is to take out, I've already had to take some of it out because one of my braids was loose. And so I had to take out like one side and start over. It was very easy. You just have to take out one of the braids and then it'll start to unravel. Okay, this is a lock holder, but this is some thick hair, so it does the same thing. So I'm gonna use this. It's wired so it stays in place. I got this one at Cat Faux Locks. Okay, I'm just after I got the hair in this ponytail, I'm just taking bobby pins and pinning up like the gap between my natural hair and the crochet hair. So I'm just stretching my hair, which is on the shorter side, just pinning it. This will be much easier. This will be much easier if you have longer hair, but I can finesse, you know.
Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me feeling like. You got me singing like. I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but.
So I have it up in a high pony this time with no bangs out, and it looks so cute. But the thing is, my natural hair is short, like I said, so it's a gap there. So I got to try to fill that in again. But it's gonna be more difficult this time because I have a higher area to cover.
Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough.
Alright guys, so I am back and I have done 2 updos. I did one with a bang and then I just did a puff without the bang. a high puff without the bang, and I just scooped up the back of my head and put bobby pins in the back because my hair is a lot shorter in the back now. I got it cut. This is super cute, and this is how I'm gonna wear it to the gym. I think this is very pretty. So overall, if you like crochet already, you're gonna love this hair. If you are a beginner and you're somebody who wants a easy style, I feel like this, it's easy, but it's very time consuming. So if you want something real quick, I feel like this takes some time, but it's cute, and I don't immediately have to take it off at night because I'm going to keep it in for at least like a week or so. If you're interested in this crochet hair from HotBraids, you can head over to their website and pick it up there. If I have any coupon codes, I'll have it in the description box for you guys. I don't know when this video is going up, but whenever it does go up, Happy New Year. Shout out to everybody who is continuing to rock with me in a new year. If you are new here, subscribe. If you haven't already, turn on your notifications. Keep up with me on my other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram at I Fancy Cupcakes. I do a lot of different content over here, some wellness content, some fashion, some home decor content, and of course wigs and hair. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, please consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I do uploads. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Get into it, baby, softly, yeah. 매일 on and on, 계속 보는 널. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart, I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me feeling like, you got me singing like